Hello everyone, welcome back. In this lecture we are going to study about the normal stress on the planes of maximum shear stress. So as we discussed in the lecture, the direct stress on an inclined plane is given by this expression, which is sigma theta is equal to 1 by 2 sigma x plus sigma y plus 1 by 2 sigma x minus sigma y cos 2 theta plus tau sin 2 theta. So as we know that the location of maximum shear stress plane is given by tan 2 theta s is equal to minus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 tau. So by this formula we can find out the location of maximum shear stress plane. So if we put this theta into the formula of sigma theta, then in that particular plane we can find out the value of direct stress or normal stress. So let's substitute the values of theta in this formula. So to find out the value of direct stress on the location of maximum shear stress plane, we have to put this value of this theta into the formula of sigma theta. So now sigma theta is equal to 1 by 2 sigma x plus sigma y plus, if we take the cos 2 theta common, then this becomes 1 by 2 sigma x minus sigma y plus tau tan 2 theta. And if we put the value of theta from this formula, because this is the location of maximum shear stress plane, so we'll get the direct stress on that particular plane. So if we replace this value into this formula here, then we will have 1 by 2 sigma x plus sigma y plus cos 2 theta 1 by 2 sigma x minus sigma y, and this becomes minus here, and this is tau multiplied by, at the place of tan 2 theta will write sigma x minus sigma y over 2 tau, and because of this minus, this plus becomes minus. So this tau will get cancelled out, and this term is 1 by 2 sigma x minus sigma y, and this term is also sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2. So this will get cancelled out and this whole becomes 0. So this remains sigma theta is equal to 1 by 2 sigma x plus sigma y only. So from this we can say the normal stresses of magnitude sigma x plus sigma y acts on each of the two planes of maximum shear stress. So we can say the magnitude of direct stress on the plane of maximum shear stress is the sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2. Thank you.